Everybody, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So I'll be sharing a complete guide how you can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing Instagram link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what we have to do is to go to the chat option, and in the chat option, what we have to do is to go to a chat. So simply go ahead and open up a chat. And once you have done that, what you have to do is to swipe and drag the chat from the bottom towards the top. By doing that, you will see an option swipe up to turn on the vanish mode. So what we have to do is to swipe it up to turn on the vanish mode. So once we have done that, the vanish mode will be activated. So this is how you guys can turn on the vanish mode. In order to turn off the vanish mode, what you have to do is to simply go ahead and click drag it down, or simply go ahead and go to the back menu. That way the vanish mode will be turned off. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.